Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm so excited. We're going to be talking about the spoilers for the Slay Glam box for the month of March. I know a bunch of you have been waiting for these spoilers and I'm so happy to share them with you, girl. So really quick before we get into the spoilers, if you're not familiar with Slay Glam, it's a monthly makeup subscription box. It's $24 a month. You get 5 to 7 full-size items. You're guaranteed a palette in every box, and if you use code Michelle Martin, that's going to save you 10% off your first subscription. It's not a code that I make any money off of. It's just a code to save you a little bit of money. And also, really quick, if you're trying to email or get a hold of Slay Glam, make sure that you're doing that through Slay Glam's website. I'm going to have that link down in the description box for you. But if you're emailing Cratejoy to try to get to Slay Glam doesn't get to see any of those emails. Cratejoy has like their own customer service, but so does Slay Glam. So if you email Slay Glam directly, you're going to be talking directly to Slay Glam's team and their customer service. So if you're having any questions or concerns or anything like that, I would definitely suggest to go ahead and email Slay Glam directly. And this is also going to be a giveaway video because Rasha is going to be kind enough to be gifting one of you guys a March box, and I am like so thankful for that. She is so sweet. She's gifting you guys because I hit my 1,000 subscribers, and I just have to say thank you so much, Rasha. Like, that really truly means so much to me that you're doing that, and I just thank you so much. It's so sweet of you. I'm just like so thankful. Honestly, you guys, Rasha is like one of the best people to work with. I absolutely love and adore her. She puts a lot of work into her companies, and she has more than just one company. She has Slay Glam, she has Rasha B, she has a actual nail subscription. It's like a press-on nail subscription. Yeah, so she has a lot going on. She also has another company that we're going to be receiving in this month's box, and it's called Drippin' Diamonds, and it is so beautiful. The packaging is gorgeous, and I cannot wait for you to see it. So definitely make sure that you stay tuned until the end of the video so you can figure out how to enter into the giveaway. So if you like these types of videos, girl, please make sure you're giving me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you subscribe before you go. And don't forget to ring the notification bell because I upload at least twice a week, girl, but I am random. I don't have certain days that I upload. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into some spoilers. So our first spoiler for the Slay Glam box is going to be a Rasha B Cosmetics palette. And this is the Gold Digger palette. Girl, I have been waiting on this palette. Rasha B is one of my favorite formulas for eyeshadows, hands down. The quality on her palettes is top notch. This is going to be a 12 pan palette. It's got some shimmers, mattes, and it's got some duochromes that we all love. Girl, I love them duochromes. They're good. So this is a really pretty like purple, blues, greens, pinks palette, and I cannot wait to get my hands on it. I have been loving purple eyeshadows lately, so this is coming like perfect timing, and I cannot wait to get this palette. I've been so excited for it. Okay, spoiler number 2, girl, is going to be another product from Rasha B Cosmetics, and this is going to be a mascara, and we're getting the shade Purple. And to be honest with you, I'm a little nervous about that. I cannot honestly tell you the last time that I used a colored mascara. I am excited to try it because it's Rasha B's formula, and I know that it's going to be great, but I'm nervous about the color. But this is the year, girl. We're getting out our comfort zone, and Rasha is helping us do that by giving us this purple mascara. So spoiler number 3 is going to be from Drippin' Diamonds, and this is Rasha's company as well. And this is a purple liquid eyeliner. And I think it's so cool that she's given us the eyeliner and the mascara to match. I have been really loving colored liquid liners lately, so I am so happy that we're getting this. And I can't wait to try this new company of hers. I can't believe that we didn't know about this. And I mean, the packaging is gorgeous. She was saying that she had asked over on Instagram if we wanted a brand takeover box. And I said, girl, I missed that question, but yes, we do. So let me know down in the comments, do you want to see a brand takeover box? So I personally would love to see an all Rasha B Cosmetics takeover box and then an all Dripped Diamonds takeover box. That would be so cool. But I would love to see a takeover box. I would love it. So our fourth spoiler for the Slay Glam box is going to be another product from Rasha B Cosmetics. And this is going to be liquid eyeshadows. And we're getting both of them. We're getting the white one and we're getting, I think it's like a red tinted, but they're multi-chrome and they shift from different colors. And I'm so excited for the white one. I cannot wait to get white. Like, I don't know what it is about white eyeshadows, but I really love them. I always have. I guess I like how much they pop. And we had already gotten a liquid eyeshadow from her last month or the month before. Okay, one of these months, I can't remember exactly which month, but it was a gold one, and that is a good one. I use it all the time. So I'm so excited to get these other two colors. Okay, girl, so for our fifth and final spoiler, this is going to be a product from Shishay. And this is going to be a lipstick and a lip liner duo. And I love that. I love that it's a duo. One end is a lip liner and the other end is the lipstick. So I am here for that. That is such a cool product. Honestly, this is almost a takeover box. Minus the one product from Shishay. Everything else is from Rasha, and like, I am here for it. You guys have to definitely chime in on that and let me know, do you want to see a takeover box? Because I do, for sure. Okay, girl, so now I'm going to let you know the rules and what you have to do to enter into the giveaway. So first of all, you have to be 18 years or older. You have to be subscribed to my channel. And in honor of the Gold Digger palette, which is so amazing, I think this is the perfect palette that you guys are going to be receiving in this box. I want to know what your goals are. No matter how big or how small, we're going to manifest them together, girl. So my next goal is going to be hit 5K, and I cannot wait to do that. I'm going to manifest it, and we're going to hit 5K on here. So I'm going to be picking the winner on Friday, March the 17th. And you will have until March the 21st to get on Slay Glam to receive your box. So definitely, if you enter, make sure you're on the lookout March 17th, because I will be announcing the winner. Once I pick the winner, I will be letting you know what you need to do to receive your free March Slay Glam box. And I'm so excited for this. Once again, thank you so much to Rasha for gifting a box this month. It truly means so much to me, and I just love you so much, girl, and I'm so excited to try out all of these products this month. I hope you guys are just excited as I am. As always, let me know what you're excited for. I'm most excited for the whole box this month. I mean, how can you not be? We're getting so many great items. But honestly, I have to say the palette, because if you already know, you know. I love eyeshadow palettes, and I have been waiting on this one, girl. So yeah, I can't wait to get my hands on it. But yeah, girl, as always, let me know what you're excited for. I love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.